India is the hotspot for the investment today. India is on the rise. India has jumped 23 places in the ease of doing business. Nürnberg Messer Group believes in the Indian market, and we are happy that there is a support given from the industry to launch new products.
We are very proud and we are also very happy to add trade fair number 16 to the portfolio of Nürnberg Messe India. The industry is here. We're going to have a very successful show.
A mattress and upholstery is a part of the furniture family, so it will be highly beneficial for the visitors when they come down to India Wood. They see the India Mattress Tech Expo also.
Woodworking shows here in India are very important. The market is growing, and a growing market needs the woodworking shows to show the most advanced technologies, the newest equipment, the latest tooling. And therefore, shows like India Wood or DELHIWOOD are very important in order to develop the market and give the customers a great marketplace.
There are three important shows in India with respect to woodworking machinery and furniture fitting. That is India Wood, DELHIWOOD and Mumbai Wood. These are three important platforms because they are based in South, West and North, which cater to different segments as well as different territories of India.
Future of wood shows in India. Great opportunities for young entrepreneurs like me to have and keep their ideas outside and take a stand on their ideas and explain to the world how it goes and how it goes about.